welcome back. And today, I'm sure you all have got this worksheet. If you have this worksheet, show me this worksheet. Very good. And this is how I can check that you all can hear me well. Okay. So today, as you must have seen in this, that we are going to start with active and passive voice. Okay. So how many, I'm sure you have done this in class too. And I would like one person to come forward and tell me what active voice is and what passive voice is. One of you can tell me what active voice is, and one of you can tell me what passive voice is. So who will come? Who will volunteer? Okay? And come and tell us what is active voice. And as I always tell you, there is nothing wrong or right in this class. Okay? So you can come. Even if you are incorrect, even if the whatever you say is in there, it doesn't make a difference. Okay? I would just like you to come here and share with if you know. So nobody is ready to come? Okay. So first and foremost, I'll tell you, like in grammar, there are two ways we express. Okay. So one is the direct way, like directly we talk. That is called active voice. And one is sometimes we use the phrase in an indirect manner or the sentence in an indirect manner. And that is called the passive voice. Okay. So here we come to active and passive voice. So I want all of you to read this. Okay. Read and understand. Then we will talk about it. Okay. So take your 1 minute and start reading. In active voice, most important thing, the subject. Okay. So we are talking about the subject. We all know that in a sentence, there is a subject and we have predicate. Okay. So in active voice, the subject performs the action. So the subject is performing the action or doing something of the verb. So like whatever verb, like talking, eating, laughing, sleeping, whatever the verb. Okay. Like here, example, the dog. So dog is the subject, chase is the verb, and cat is the object. So you have to remember one thing. In active voice, it is subject, verb, object. So your sentence has to be SVO. Subject, verb, object. Okay? So this is what the active voice is. Now let's see what is passive voice. In passive voice, the subject receives the action. Okay? Here the subject is doing the action and here the subject is receiving the action of the verb. The cat was chased by the dog. So the position has changed. Here it was the object. Now it has become the subject. And here it was the subject. It has become the object. Okay. And obviously when you are inverting things, the verb form also changes. But one thing you have to keep in mind, the meaning it will not change. Okay. And the tense will not change. Okay, if it is a present tense sentence, it will remain a present. If it is you will not change the tense. Okay. So passive, what is passive voice? The subject receives the action of the verb. The cat was chased by the dog. Okay, the dog chased the cat. The cat was chased by the dog. We have said it in a different manner, but we have not changed the meaning, not the tense. Clear, everyone? If everything is clear, raise your hands. Yes. If anyone is not clear about it, you can ask me right now. Okay, so that I can make it more clear. So if you are still not clear about it, could you please? Okay, could you please tell me? Come and if you are not clear about something, do come and let me know. Okay, so just give it a reading and try to understand this. If this is clear, most of your problems will be clear in active and passive. You will be like perfectly good. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. Everybody is clear about this particular slide? So we know what is active, we know what is passive. Okay, now understanding the structure. That means how the structure of the sentence formation changes. Okay, here, look at the sentences below. First is Tom writes a letter. We read books. She teaches us. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Okay? Simple, clear, and everything is clear. Direct. In these sentences, Tom, we, and she are doing something. And all the subjects, like Tom is the subject, we and she, they are doing something. That means they are the doer of the action. Okay? They are the subjects or doer of the action. Or we can say they are active. So these sentences are in active voice. Okay? Everybody is clear about it? Are you clear? Next, anyone has this?
I'm telling you. Your screen is not visible.
My screen is not visible?
Yes, yes.
Which room? Which room? In Richardson, the screen is not. I can see the whole class, though. There is something not right from your side, okay? Because I can see your class in Richardson class. I can see your class, and you can hear me clearly. देखो आपका, like ask the teacher to help out.
No, man. No, man.
What? Next. Okay, next. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, the screen is blurred. Students can't read about.
The screen is blurred. Is it for
Yes.
everyone? If it is only for your classroom, then I think so. That is some issue.
I don't know, ma'am, actually. I'm in Richardson.
Is the screen bright?
Screen is blurred.
For how many classes have a blur screen? How many rooms?
In Pascal.
So no, rest of the classes are open. I think so. Pascal House has raised their hand, Napier and Hardy. Let me just check what I can do on my side. Just a minute. We'll do what we can from our side. Is it better now? Yes. If things are better, if the screen is now more brighter and clearer, you can raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am. This is clearer now or better than earlier? No. Again.
You more clarity required.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's again blurred.
Okay. Okay. Now, how is it? Like, will you be able to read, or are you able to read the screen now? Yes? Okay, now I want all those who can see the screen clearly to raise their hands. all the classrooms. Like where Pythagoras, can you see the screen clearly? If yes, raise your hand. No? Hardy house? Okay. Rooms which can see clearly can raise their hand. Teachers, please let us know if you can see the screen now. Teachers, please let us know. All the rooms who can see screen clearly, please raise your hands. I want to know. Okay, Pascal is fine. Pascal room can see the screen. Okay, yes, I can see a few more. Pythagoras can see. Very good. What about? Okay. Okay. So let's carry on now. Here. Yes, you can pay attention to it now. Listen carefully. Okay. Now. What? Okay. Let me continue. Pay attention. It will be very helpful if you pay attention. So now, again, without changing the meaning, if we write these sentences as, like, Tom writes a letter. We have written a letter is written by Tom. So the meaning of the sentence is not changed. Okay. Books are read by us. We are taught by her. So she teaches us becomes we are taught by her. We read books have become books are read by us. So what we have seen that the object in the first sentence has become the subject. Okay. So a letter is written by Tom and a letter of books. We do not do anything. They are not doing. Yes. Yes.
Can't understand.
You are unable to understand? Okay.
Can it after class screen is totally blurred, not readable.
Okay. You can't see anything or you can see something.
Yes.
Richardson.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, teachers. Teachers in the classrooms, please. Teachers in the classroom. Can you hear us? Can you hear us? Raise your hands, all students. Hurry up fast. Quick. Yes. Everybody is raising hand. थोड़ा सा आप ऊंचा बोलिए बस.
नहीं वो दिख
Emphatically
नहीं
बोलिए.
रहा वो बोल रहे हैं हमको दिख नहीं रहा
दिख भी रहा हो. दिख भी रहा होगा. सुनता है.
नहीं सुन तो रहा
Do they have this sheets with them?
this they have but this they don't. Okay, you have the sheet. We can start directly on the sheet. Okay, we can start directly on the sheet and I can explain things to you how you're going to go about it. Okay, now yes.
Screen is not visible properly to the slides.
You cannot.
No, ma'am, it is not clear.
Okay, okay, don't forget the board. You can just pick up your worksheet and we will start working on it. Okay, at least you can hear me. You can hear me. So if you can hear me, yes, then I can like explain things to you and you can do them. Okay. Now, as I told you, in active voice, the subject is the doer of the action and object is the receiver of the action. Okay. So this is it. Now see, if you see the first sentence, my aunt ate delicious cookies. My aunt bakes delicious cookies. Now, first thing what we have to do is we have to change, we have to place, interchange the places. Okay, the object in the first sentence will become the subject, and the subject in the first sentence will become the object. So,
Hello.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible now?
yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Are the children able to see the board? Earlier there were complaints. Yes, Richardson is saying yes, they can see the board. Pascal is saying they can see the board. Okay. What about Pythagoras? Can you see the board? Can all of you hear me? Can all of you hear me? Napier, if you can hear me. Blur, आप उस पे concentrate मत करो board पे. Right now you concentrate on the sheet, and I will explain things to you, and you can do it that way. Okay. If you are unable to see, it's okay. Just look at the sheet and we can work on it. Very everyone.
से आने लग जाएगी और
Okay. My aunt, the first one. My aunt bakes delicious cookies. Now, it is cool to convert them to passive. To make it into passive, cookies will become the subject. Very good. I can hear. Pascal House, come forward. I can see in the middle row. Yes, come forward. So cookies.
Delicious cookies are baked by my aunt.
Yes. So delicious cookies are baked by my aunt. Very good. What happened here? Everybody write down. Delicious cookies are baked by my aunt. So the object, delicious cookies, became the subject. Okay. Baked, you have to write third form of the verb. Whenever you convert into passive, you write the third form of the word. Okay, that is past participle, that is baked. And with that, you will write the be form of the verb. So it was. Okay, was baked because aunt is singular. So delicious cookies were baked or are baked by my aunt bakes. So it is present tense. So it will be are. Delicious cookies are baked by my aunt. So by preposition zarur aayega. Okay. So everybody has understood now.
ऐसे ही दिया मैम और कुछ नहीं है
क्या issue है? Is the issue solved or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Solved. Everyone can see this board now.
Yes.
Okay.
Now it is clear.
Okay. Everyone. Okay. What? Copy this in your sheet. Copy this. This is very important. Everybody has to copy this. This is active. For an active sentence, you have subject, verb, object. SVO. Okay. Subject, verb, object. For a passive sentence, you have subject. Then you will write plus. Like, after that you will write be verb ka koi form. You know the be verb has 8 forms. Am, was, were, are, is. ये सारे be verb के forms हैं. Okay? So being. So आपको यहाँ पे एक be verb का लिखना है यहाँ पे. Then you will write the third form of the verb, that is your past participle. Okay, that is your past participle. Plus you will write by preposition and then you will write the object. So in passive voice, this subject will come here, object, and this object will become the subject. Okay, so this is, if you will follow this rule, you will do amazing. Okay, you will never make a wrong sentence ever again. So please do this one. You have to write, all of you.
जो बच्चे बाहर जाके नहीं वॉशरूम जा पानी फिर उसी काम आप चले जाएंगे मैं है नहीं इतने तक साथ में
Have to see if the sentence is in present tense, it will stay in present tense. If it is in past tense, it will stay in past tense. Okay? Whichever tense the sentence is, you will not change the tense. Okay? And you will not change the meaning. Only thing, the structure will change. Okay, so very good. The first sentence was very perfectly done. That my aunt bakes delicious cookies was delicious cookies are baked by my aunt. Bakes is like present tense, so are baked. Okay, are, I will tell you present tense. I write stories. I write stories. Yes, Napier House. In the Napier room, I can see a hand raised. Yes, come forward. The girl in the road towards the windows. Okay, you're sitting on the second bench. You raised your hand. Come forward. Yes. Quick. Stories are written by perfect. See, stories. So stories. I write stories. So it became stories are. I write. So it is present tense. Stories are written by me. Okay. By preposition. So very good. Next is he wins all the games. He wins all the games. I can see a lot of hands. Hardy House, first bench, middle row. Hardy House, first bench, middle row. The girl in white t-shirt. Okay, you come ahead. He wins all games. Games win by him. Could you repeat, please? Game is win. The game is win by her. But it is he, so it will be him. Okay. So he wins all the games. All the games will become the subject are, because it is a present tense, won by him. Third verb, third form, won. Okay. All the games are won by him. Next, they visit many countries. They visit many countries. Yes, I can see Pascal House. I can see middle row, fourth bench. Okay. Come forward. They visit many countries. Very good. Many countries are visited by them. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Next is my mother feeds stray cats. My mother feeds stray cats. Okay, Hardy House. Again, she wants to answer. The little girl in yellow t-shirt. Come forward, bacha. Stray cats are fed by my mother. Stray cats are fed. Okay. Stray cats are fed by my mother. Third tense. Okay. Feed, fed, fed. So third tense, the past participle. Stray cats are fed by my mother. You should always keep this in mind. This one. Okay. If you will keep this in mind, you will never make a mistake. Okay. Next is nurses dress wounds. Nurses dress wounds. Okay, I'll call out some name from Thales. Yuvraj and Vandana. From Thales, Yuvraj and Vandana, you can come, one of you can come out and answer this. Yuvraj, yes, come out. Nurses dress wounds. You could have come also. The little boy who went back in Ramanuja, you can come. Nurses dress wounds. Nurses dress wounds. Yes.
Wounds are dressed by nurses.
Very good. Wounds are dressed by nurses. So tense remains the same. Straight, present tense and by nurses. Okay. So by and subject becomes the object here. So nurses. Nurses earlier were the subject. Now they are the object. Okay. Wounds are dressed by nurses. Next. Next. I had called, I think so, Yuvraj from Tales. Yes, Yuvraj, you can tell about the next one. They speak Bengali in Bengal. They speak Bengali in Bengal. Yes,
In Bengali is spoken in Bengali
see, don't say in, it is Bengali is spoken in Bengal
by
them. Okay, they become them. Bengali is spoken in Bengal, or in Bengal, Bengali is spoken by them. Okay, in Bengal, Bengali is spoken by them, or Bengali is spoken in Bengal by them. Both are right. Okay, so in Bengal, Bengali is spoken by them. How many of you got this right? How many? Very good. I cannot see anyone today, like, very active from Pythagoras' house. Why? What happened? Okay. Next. Now this answer I want from Pythagoras' house. He consumes a lot of sugar. He consumes a lot of sugar. So from Pythagoras, yes, I can see the girls raising their hands. Come forward, both of you. From next to the window, yes. Both of you can come. Yes. And you can bring your sheet too. He consumes a lot of sugar.
a lot of by them.
Yes, a lot of sugar is consumed by him. A lot of sugar is consumed by him. Don't go back. You can turn the sheet. The one who answered can go back, the other one. Now, when you turn the sheet, we have another sentences, couple of sentences here. She sang a song. She sang a song. So, who will answer this? Very easy. Very, very easy. Yes. Okay, Hardy House, the girl sitting on the first bench, come forward. She sang a song. This is past tense, so the sentence stays a past tense. Okay. Yes.
Song was sung by her.
A song was, because it is a past tense, so ये वाला जो verb होगा वो was हो जाएगा और ये तो third form रहना ही है. Okay. A song, which is like, now what you say, the subject was sung by her. She becomes her. A song was sung by her. Okay, next sentence. Very good. Somebody hit me. I can see in Pascal house, middle row, there's a boy who's raising his hand constantly. So many of you. Okay, you can all come one by one. You can do the next sentence. Okay. Somebody hit me.
Somebody.
I was hit by somebody. I was hit by somebody. Next is we stopped the bus. We stopped the bus. Very good. The bus was stopped by us. I am like, next one. Quickly, let us finish this. A thief stole my car. Yes. Tails, I can see a hand raised towards the wall. Yes, come forward, all both the children who have raised their hands. There's a person in green t-shirt and one in white t-shirt. Both come. Come quickly. Then we have to end the class. A thief stole my car.
My car was stolen by a thief.
Perfect. Very good. My car was stolen by a thief. Next is, they did not let him go. Why? I wanted to do this because I want to tell you something. Go does not have like, we do not use for go because go is a intransitive verb. So we do not use the third form. Okay. तो हम यहाँ gone नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay. So because go, went, gone is a third form. For go in passive also, normally like, for intransitive verbs, we to make a passive is very difficult. So normally we don't do it. But whenever we do it, we'll use the same word. Okay. So here, they did not let him go. So go will not become gone. If you go by this, you will write her gone. So that would become wrong. यहाँ पे go ही आएगा. Rest it will be the same. Okay, so yeah, this you have to remember. For go, you will never use in passive voice. You will never use gone. Okay, so let me quickly give this sentence to you. He was, yes, he was.
He wasn't let go.
Yes, he was not let go by them. Okay, he was not let go by them. Gone नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. Okay, this you have to remember. There are certain things in grammar which are exceptions or they're different, and this has to be remembered. So you will remember this, that whenever you have to convert go into passive, जब भी go होगा, it will not become gone. It will stay go. Okay, so rest all three sentences you are left with. I'm sure you can do them by your own because you have a science class right now. Hope everything is very clear to you. And yeah, I really enjoyed the class and hope you all understood very well and things are much more clearer. Okay, so have a good day, everyone. Have a good day. And your science teacher will be here soon to take over the class. Thank you, children.